Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today we're going to be reacting to
SB19 Mini Show Break Episode 3 1Z Party. And please tell me we have the captions. Yes, SB19 likes us. Okay, good.
Moonlight.
Welcome to Mini Show Break Episode 3! Bakit nga ba Episode 3?
Kasi,
Perfect! Ang tanong, bakit tayo nandito? Kasi ito rin magandang question. Ito rin magandang. Meron tayong Mini Show Break kasi 1Z is now celebrating our second year
Oh,
anniversary.
okay, that's cool. Happy anniversary.
Bakit nga ba tayo umabot sa second year anniversary?
Damn.
tayo first.
Yeah!
It's second because I feel like we just watched them open it.
Yeah.
Like it was like half a year ago we watched them open it. That's crazy.
Baka ng ating CEO.
See you, Pablo.
Siyempre, pagka merong celebration, kailangan ng party. Mag-party tayo today, kaya naman nag-prepare kami ng
I have to say though, Pablo has done a phenomenal job as a CEO. I think he's a really good CEO.
Ready? Bago tayo
Si Jigsaw.
maglaro, kailangan natin lumipat ng lugar. So ito bagong-bago.
Ayun, bagong-bago yan.
Bagong-bago. Kailangan natin tumalo na sa
Ay, grabe.
Bago to kasi tayo lang ang unang makakagawa rin.
Oy!
Are you guys ready?
Ready?
Talo tayo in 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1, go!
That's fun.
Siyempre, hindi natin ma-achieve ang lahat ng ito without these people. Nakasamahan tayo ngayong gabi sa episode na to! Woo!
Aitons? We have Aitons again? Oh, team leaders. Okay.
So, pakilala kayo sa isa.
Wala ba kayo ito yan?
Ako po, si Ate Lea.
Ako si Kuya yan.
Hi, I'm Rachel.
Dayan, Bulacan.
Celebrate these milestones. Nagkakaroon tayo. Maglalaro tayo ng mga
Okay.
Ito exciting kong first game. For our first game, maglalaro tayo ng bagay na bagay sa atin. Mr. and Miss, 1 team.
What? How do we play that?
Names based sa category. Kapag tinawag ng Game Master ang nickname mo, ang papasok ka na sa next round. Then yung hindi mapipili, elbow ka.
Elbow.
Ang winner sa game na ito ay may medal.
Wow.
Let's go.
Lahat.
First category, mga bayan.
Oh, national heroes. Yeah, we can't play that. We don't know no national heroes.
Bayani yung parents ko. Culinary mabini.
Okay.
Culinary mabini.
I know one. Guys, is Manny Pacquiao considered a national hero? I remember her from before.
Yeah.
Who's choosing them though?
I don't know.
Pwede ka na huminga.
Who are up to now?
So I guess they have a list that they create, that they say they have, and then she announced the picks that she picks.
But yeah, well, my question is who picks?
I don't know.
Because this is, you see, each song is associated to who. So Justin, Gento, Yanni Bazinga, and so on. But who picks?
I think the kid does.
They gotta grow up.
Bazinga,
no
no
gasolina.
gasolina.
Gento gotta make it, right?
Dapat sasayawin ba? Sorry. Ay, okay.
Gento, they make it. So
Let's go. Let's go.
who picked these songs?
Wow! Ikaw ba yun?
Mr. and Mrs.
I did not understand that game. I mean, I got that how they get eliminated, but who made the picks? I have no idea.
You know what I like? I like seeing their interactions.
Category ang game Dapat, same tayo ng partner natin ng answer.
Okay.
So this one is what? Like shreds?
They have to basically they're in pairs, and they have to they're in pairs, and they have to pick the same. Like somebody's gonna give like a word. So like for example, they showed flower, and both of you have to pick the same flower, like a sunflower. Yeah, you see the book. That's hard though. How?
Ang next player.
How would you pick the same
That's hard.
thing? Yeah.
Justin! Ay, Justin! Justin!
That's so hard. Guess from OFW. What is OFW?
Older.
OnlyFans.
No, older family. W?
Sorry! Nasa isip ko! Nasa isip ko!
They lost.
Justin is so bitch. She's always giving
Alam mo,
me
Justin,
gold.
nanalo ako mag-isa. Next player, I see! Pablo! Ay!
What is it?
He didn't say anything.
That is hard though. That is hard. Like I don't know how. What's the likelihood that both of y'all would say the same thing?
Subjects is easy.
I wouldn't call it easy. Maybe easier, but. Vegetables mentioned, but oh, I
Kumakanta pa ako eh, bakit kumakanta?
Wow.
Pwede kaya suntukan na lang?
Okay.
Tinky Winky.
3, 2, 1, go!
You gotta go.
You said Tinky Winky.
You gotta go with Tinky Winky because the song starts Tinky
Tinky
Winky,
Winky,
Dipsy,
Dipsy,
la
la
la,
la,
po.
po.
So you gotta go with Tinky Winky. You gotta go because that's how the song
He's
starts.
a bird. Did you watch Tinky Winky?
Yes.
I like Tinky Winky.
Well, my sister did, so I was kind of in the lap. I was a little older. It was her show, but I was watching
Watching
it
Tinky
too.
Winky?
Icebreaker pa lang yan na. Kaya ngayon, dito talaga masusubukan. Labanan talaga. Labanan talaga. Sobrang
Nakakatakot.
So, ang title sa next game namin, ang Swansea
SB19 versus Wazi Team. Then, ang
Madali lang ang game.
Madali lang, pero wait lang kasi syempre may twist yan. May nakahandang shirt. Na dapat masuot natin without the balloon touching the floor. Yan, and after, dapat mag-post tayo in front of the camera. This will go on until matapos ng lahat ng members. And the first one matapos will be tagged as the winner.
At malalaman natin
Wow.
kapag natapos na ang
Yeah, that's not easy.
Sa alam ang pag-decide ko.
Wala yung panic.
You can't focus too much on the balloon though, you gotta get dressed. Oh, she did it.
She did it.
Oh, she did. She did it. Nah, she did it first.
She did it
She did it
first.
first. She did it
She
first.
did it first.
She did it first.
I guess your whole line gotta do it.
Yeah, it seems like it's team game. I guess it's SB19 versus like the team, like the the management team. She messed up. She messed up. This is actually a fun game. I like this game. This is a fun game. Okay, Josh cheated. He started.
He did?
Yeah, he started putting the shirt on before the balloon was in the air. Maybe not, because he still doesn't have it. Look, he's upside. Okay.
That was funny.
Yeah, this is a good game. I like this game.
Ngayon, syempre, kami na lang yung team. Mag-iisip kami ngayon ng punishment na bibigyan namin sa inyo. May naisip pa kayo ng punishment? Parang naman ng energy ng 1 day.
Ano ba naisip ako na hanggang maganda?
Dapat kasi talaga.
Di ba kasi may mga news reporter, gano'n. Bakit pwede magpanggap kayo sa interview na rin yung maganda na kayo kayo.
Sige.
Kayo mag-ano number one. Kulang number one sa takliyan.
Ang mangyayari sa inyo, pag in-interview kayo, kaboses nila kasi ako.
Who's Amor? I guess Amor maybe is like one of the news people or something, like an interviewer.
Pwede ba yun?
Next.
Pwede ba yun?
Dapat kasi yung sa amin isang balon sa inyo dalawa.
Doon nga namin na-realize na ang hirap daw, ang hirap pala, kaya patas lang.
Kaya may red carpet na lang kami ng patalikod. Kaya usually ako maharap. Oh, ganun na.
Sa red carpet, hindi ba dalawa yung gumagano? Buong red carpet, hanggang picture. And during the red carpet, one seat na ako dito.
Hindi nga pwede yan.
Ma'am, tingin kayo dito, ma'am.
Huwag na lang natin pausahan. Maganda naman yung game kanina.
Pero pag kami natalo, may parusa. Ayan.
Oo, kami po sana nag-enjoy tayo.
Hindi actually hindi. Mas mag-enjoy kami kung may punishment.
Ang punishment, lalakad mo na sila sa red carpet.
Stella's petty though.
Okay, picture mo na maayos.
He's the pettiest out of the
Picture mo
group.
na maayos, kuha sa bulsa ng man. Tapos, post ulit. At tanggal na.
Kasi daming partners. Oo nga. Pagsunod yung mag-asaya. Nasa buwa rin.
See, that's why it's important to get the punishment punishment first before you do this.
Yeah, that's true.
negotiations
Yeah,
after.
you should get the punishment first. Everybody come up with one, and then you know what you're playing for.
Okay na. Ganun ka ate.
Ay, madali lang siya.
May mga dyan, trace yung sarili mo.
Siyempre, bago tayo matapos dito, kakamustahin ko lang ano. Kamusta yung experience sa pakikipaglaro ba?
Okay, congratulations po siyempre sa mga nanalo. Woo! At para sa mga talo, hirap. Bukas yan, talo naman. Hindi, ganyan lang ako. Hindi na lang po nagtatapos sa aming Chamber Mini Show Break. Episode 3, at ito nga po pala ang aming last episode for our mini show break.
Oh, it's the last
Tayo
episode.
manood ng Pagtatag the Documentary ngayong August 28, 2024 on selected cinemas nationwide. So once again, happy second anniversary watching!
Oh, so they're releasing it into the movies. That's cool.
Bye, cool. And this has been SB19!
Ayun, si Dixie.
Justin, sino ba yung nag-drawing na may aso siya nakasama? Oh, si Bruce Bruce. Yun yung gusto ko.
Ikaw na to.
Hindi ako nanonood yun. Ayan siya. Kaya ako nag-drawing dahil dito eh. Dahil sa this space, nag-start ako mag-drawing.
Guys, of course, let us know your thoughts. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Join our Discord, and as always, share as much kindness as possible.